Hello guys, my name is Sami ur Rahman and welcome back to my channel Read with Sami, and I am going to read chapter 5 of the book This Hotel is Haunted. Let's start. The fifth chapter name is A Great Love Story. We found Horatio at his desk, sobbing, "Oh, my dear friends, whatever will I do? I'll be forced to sell my hotel. For generations, this hotel has belonged to my family. Ah, what a catastrophe!" Come on, Horatio, take a tissue. Hercule consoled him. "Have no fear. Hercule Poirot is here, your old friend Geronimo, and I will help you. Please calm down. We need to ask you some questions." Horatio brightened up at once. "Really? You'll really help me?" I sighed. "You see, I truly am a busy mouse. I have stories to edit and deadlines to meet and a newspaper to put out. But I simply can't refuse a friend in need." I took out a notebook and began jotting down some notes. "Tell us everything, starting from the beginning." Horatio pointed at a painting behind his desk. It depicted a curly whiskered rodent and a elegant, smiling female rodent. "Do you remember these mice, Geronimo? They are my great grandparents, Everest and Arabella Hottertail. They were the ones who founded the New Mouse City's Grand Hotel years and years ago. Theirs was a great love story. Oh, how they loved each other. My great grandfather was a bricklayer, and my great grandmother was a cook. They were poor but full of energy and enthusiasm. Everest decided to build a hotel brick by brick, and guests came from all over Mouse Island to taste Umbrella's delicious dishes. Horatio took a deep breath and then went on. "My great grandparents loved making travelers happy. Inviting them to enjoy hot meals and comfortable beds was their life's work. Over the years, the hotel got bigger. It became the most famous hotel in the city, then on all of Mouse Island. But now this ghost is ruining me. Soon I will be forced to sell the hotel to that awful rodent." My ears perked up. "Someone wants you to sell this hotel. Who?" "A mysterious business mouse, Bradley Bigbottom. For the last month, he has been asking me to sell it to him at a really, really low price, and now it seems I have no choice with this ghost one wandering the halls for the past month. All the guests have been complaining and feeling the hotel. And do you know what that smiley sever rat wants to do to my hotel? He wants to turn it to a toilet factory." Hercule was outraged. "A toilet factory? Never. They'll have to flush us out of here first. Isn't that right, my dear Stilton? Did you get my little joke? Flush us out of here, get it?" I just rolled my eyes. I was so busy thinking about what Horatio had said to laugh at Hercule's silly pun. For a month, a mysterious rodent has been asking Horatio to sell for a month. A ghost had wandered around the hotel for a month. All the guests had complained. A month, a month, a month. Guys, I am ending the video here. In the next video I will read chapter 6 of of the book, this hotel is haunted.